Welcome to the wonderful world of flams. Yes, you've always wanted to learn a flam, and so I'm going to show you. We're going to start off with just a single flam, and the hardest part about the flam is like most of us are either right-handed or left. So when I learned how to play flams correctly later on in life, I realized that I was always naturally playing a left flam, not a right flam, even though I'm right-handed drummer. So I had to work on my right flam, which my left will come down first, you know. So in this exercise I'm going to give you, you're just going to basically tap and you're going to play the flam on the fourth note. So you're going to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So the thing is I was playing a left flam, so because my right hand is my dominant hand, my right hand would come down first. So here I was right-handed drummer playing a left-handed flam, naturally. So in this case here, you just got the, you just go tap, tap, tap. So eventually, what you're going to do is you're going to alternate your flams, and in most cases, sometimes in orchestral pieces, they won't tell you which hands to use. So most likely, I will gravitate towards the left flam, okay, since I'm right. Since I've been explaining that, how I fell onto that by accident. So eventually you're going to alternate them. And so if you play in a drum and bugle corps or marching band, they usually will tell you which flams to use. So you got to know that because you can't just be up there jamming on your flams and stuff. So, everybody has a written part, so everybody has to be doing the same sticking because the judges will look at, the snare line and see if they're all in sync and the hands are moving the same. So with the alternating flam, one of the hands is going to stay low, and so that's the one that's going to be the one that's going to tap first. So if you're playing, you're going to start, see how my hand stays there, then... And of course, you have a robot look, like this military kind of thing, but eventually you can get them with rebound and bounce and like everything else, but you'd have to start real slow. Okay, we will continue with our exploration of flams, yes, and the next one we're going to have is called the Flam Accent, and it's triplets. It's in 2/4, so it's going to be 1 and 2 and. So you're going to notice that it's basically like a single stroke, right, left, right, left. But you're going to be putting a flam at the beginning of each triplet. So you're going to go like flam, left, right, flam, right, left, flam, left, right, left. So you might want to play it slow in the exercise that you'll have. The written example is you'll see it in eighth notes. So the hard part's going to be making sure you play the correct flam. Like here you have right, left, right. So your left is going to be first. And then same thing with the other side. So when you start to get faster, of course, they have an example of 16th note, and of course, I would recommend that you focus on the 8th note one first and go real slow. Then you can start playing the 16th note one. But the main thing is to play it even. If you could play with a metronome, that would be great. The next flam exercise is Flam Tap, and I'm going to use the 8th note example, but most of the times you're going to hear it as 16th notes. Mostly in marching music that you'll hear it. So here we have, it's like a double stroke. You can think of it like a right, left, but you're going to be adding a flam. So you're going to be going, so go flam right, flam left, flam right, flam left. So that'll be the way you'll hear it mostly is 16 notes. So, and again, that's going to, they'll mix that in with regular 16th stroke, single strokes. So they'll be going like da-da-da, and then going into flams. So you have to be totally relaxed to get up in speed. The next one is called the Flamacue, and you'll see this quite a bit in snare pieces and orchestral, drum, pieces that when they have flams included, that you'll see the Flam accent quite a bit. it's just your basic 1E and a 2, but you're going to play the flam in the first note and then the last note. But the hard part for most people is going to be the accent with the left. So you're going to be playing it. I'll play without the flams. You're going to go right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. So here you're going to have, and then at the end we're going to put the last flam. You just go. Okay, right now we're going to go into the paradiddle and the flam paradiddle, and it's kind of difficult because you know, at the end you have the two diddles, left, left, or right, right, but then you have the flam of the next note. So you're going to be playing 3 rights, 3 lefts. So you'll be going like flam, left, right, right, flam. So you got 3 notes right there, and then so you have 3 notes with your left. So here in the example that we have the same thing, 8th note example and 16th note example. So what we're going to use mostly is the 8th note. Okay, so that way 16th note's too fast for now until you get faster. So we're going to start off with simple 8th note one. And now you can start it if you want just using a single paradiddle. And then go into the flam. So you can see kind of how the 3 notes, you have the 3 notes with the left and 3 with the right. So you might want to take that into consideration when you start to go faster. You might have to use rebound to get the diddles moving fast enough to squeeze the flam in before the next note. Okay, the next family of rudiments we're going to add is the drag family, and the drag is it's just going to be a left or right diddle with the main note, you know, being your right or left. So, and usually the way it's written, you'll see 2 little rights, and you'll see a left, a big left, you know, or quarter note most cases. So in this case here, we'll just play it. You know, we'll play it as quarter notes, and you're gonna. You might want to do this just like we did the flam. You know, you can do one side like 4 times and then the other side 4 times. So we'll do this as quarter notes. So we're going to start with the right flam, which is going to have the left drag. Okay, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do the other side, the left. So your right's going to be the diddle and your left will be the main note. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to alternate them, and again, you just now it's going to be like the flam. The diddle, the hand coming down is going to be the low, and that's going to diddle for the next note. So you go like that. So that's the actual drag, and so we will continue on to the next drag. Okay, the next one we're going to do is called the single drag, and it's going to be in triplet. It's most of the time you'll see it used in 6/8. Okay, but for right now, we're just going to count it as a triplet, 1 and 2 and. So here you're going to have, it's going to be same thing. You're going to go right, left, left, but you're going to play the middle note as a drag. So you're going to go right, left, right, left. And that is your single drag. The next drag we're doing now is a double drag, and again, that's going to be in 6/8 also, but I'm just going to play it as a pattern. Okay, so you're going to go, in this case here, it's going to be right, left, so you're going to go right, left, right. So I'll play this a little bit slower, so you're going to go right. So if you're playing in 6/8, you're going to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the way you're going to see it most of the time. And now the next next drag family we're going to go to are the Ratamacues, and we're going to start off. The Ratamacue is going to have a triplet, dot, 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 dot. Okay, so you're going to have a drag right before the triplet, and so it's going to go right, left, right, left. So in this case, the main strokes are going to be, but you're going to put a drag in front of the triplets. So in this case here, the drag will be the left, and we're going to start with the right. So you're going to go Ratamacue, Ratamacue. And then you're going to go to the other side. So now we're going to drag with the left, right, and go to the left side. So now we're going to do both alternate. Okay, the next one is the double Ratamacue, and so we have two drags. It's gonna, you're still gonna have the Ratamacue, but now we're gonna go. So you got. So if you're playing this, it's gonna be in 3, but I'm just playing it as a pattern for now because I think counting at the same time, trying to learn something new, is like adding an extra limit. You might get thrown off. So. But in this case, it's just going to go 1, 2. Ratamacue, drag, Ratamacue. The last one is triple Ratamacue, and you're going to have 3 drags. And so you're going to have, you're going to go drag, drag, Ratamacue, drag, drag, Ratamacue.